Howdy, folks. It's me, Woody.
Greetings, Space Rangers. I am Buzz Lightyear. I want to tell you personally that Star Command was very proud of your work battling the evil Emperor Zurg today at Spacerangerspin.
Zurg was at it again?
Indeed he was. But our friend stopped his evil plan. Congratulations, Space Rangers.
Now, Buzz and I just wanted to let you know how glad we are that you're here visiting.
That's right, Woody. We hope you've had thrilling adventures so far.
I'm sure you'll have a great time tomorrow exploring all the fun stuff out there.
Have an excellent time, and hopefully we'll see you along the way. Now I need to go make sure that evil Emperor Zurg is hatching a new plot full of sinister intent and his master plan to one day rule the universe.
Okay, Buzz, you've kept the universe safe so far. Listen, everybody, keep having fun, and don't forget to protect the universe.
Affirmative. And may your adventures always take you to infinity and beyond.